guys, welcome back to my channel D Crafty. This is Devyani. So for the past 1 year or so, I have been obsessed with my hair to make them stronger, healthier and make them grow faster. So I tried a lot of things and a lot of things worked. So here I am sharing my hair care routine with you all. Also, I may cut my hair in the next week or so. So just letting you guys know, and yeah. Oh yes, I did cut my hair short. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big fat thumbs up if you like it, and follow me on all my social media. The links are down in the description box as usual. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So basically my routine starts with hair oiling, and I use this DIY hair oil. All you need is coconut oil, castor oil, tea tree oil and vitamin E capsule. Start by adding coconut oil, which will nourish your hair. Then add castor oil, which helps in hair growth. Then add 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil to get rid of dandruff and any infection. Then add 1 vitamin E capsule, which helps in hair growth and makes them shiny. Mix everything well and apply this oil with a really nice massage. I also like to use the inversion method for oiling my hair. This way oil reaches all the parts of your scalp and you can easily massage your scalp. Also, this helps in blood circulation and hair growth. So I just massage for nice 15 to 20 minutes and apply the remaining oil on the lengths of my hair. Once a month, I like using my DIY hair mask. All you need is coconut oil, honey and lemon. Start by adding coconut oil, which will nourish your hair. Then add a little bit of honey for shiny, soft and smooth hair. Then add a few drops of lemon juice to get rid of dandruff. Mix everything well and apply on your scalp and lengths of your hair. I sometimes use this twice a month. It really makes your hair smooth and shiny. I also use a hairspray before my shower. All you have to do is boil curry leaves in water for 15 to 20 minutes and then cool the water down. Apply this half an hour before your shower and then wash off. This really helps with premature graying of the hair. I also like to comb my hair before shower so that I have less hair fall while in the shower. And then I hop in the shower. I also switch my shampoo and conditioner depending on the season and what suits my hair. You should never wash your hair with really hot water. Use lukewarm water or cold water as much as possible. After shower, I like using a cotton towel to dry my hair. You can also use your old cotton t-shirt. This reduces hair damage. Also, do not rub your hair, just dab to dry them. I let my hair air dry instead of using any tools. And then I apply a serum while my hair is a little damp. This helps to get rid of tangles and protects the hair from any damage. Then I use a wide tooth comb to comb my hair and get rid of tangles, starting from the end towards the scalp. Also, to avoid damage to your hair, avoid tying your hair in really tight hairstyles and ponytails. Trim your split ends and hair to get rid of damaged ends, but this does not help in hair growth. Stress can be a cause of hair fall and poor hair quality, so avoid stress as much as possible. And lastly, stay hydrated as much as possible. It is not only good for your hair but also for your overall health and skin. Yeah, that's it for my hair care routine. I hope you all liked it, and I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye.